Hey gang, Kevin here. I just wanted to do a quick video. I've had this question a lot. As you guys know, I do a lot of stuff with plant material, the herbal stuff, and I spent a little time tonight having a conversation with a gentleman who who was talking to me about something that I get asked a lot. And basically, it comes down to this. There are a lot of things that either you don't know you can get, or you don't know is around you, or you don't have access to it at the time of the year you want to have access to it, or you just don't want to mess with prepping all this stuff yourself. With that being said, there are a lot of things that are available online, and you can buy stuff from tons and tons and tons of different herbal suppliers out there. All I really say is buy stuff from something that's been around for a long time, or a company that's been around for a long time. I don't go in so much for worrying about reviews and things like that, because reviews are just like everything else online. You got to take it with a grain of salt, because a lot of that stuff is either paid reviews or reviews from employees of the company. That's their job. That's their job, is to bump their website, which is all shady and shenanigans. But the fact of the matter is there's a ton of that stuff out there. And how do you really review a product like that in the first place? I ordered some stuff online. This is a dried herb. What's the review of that? Hey, I got it. It's dry. All right. I'm not going to send it to a laboratory and get it tested. I'm not going to do all that stuff. Most of us aren't. So reviews, take them with a grain of salt. With all that being said, if you've got something that you want to do an herbal prep on, or you want to make something, and it's not just medicinal stuff, it's soaps and oils and glycerins and all those kind of things that you want to use for things outside of the medicinal realm, feel free to order that stuff online. Now, I've got some of that stuff, I think, on my Amazon influencer page, stuff that I order in the past and stuff that I've had good results with. I think that's on there. I'm not 100% sure. I'll go check after this and see what's on there and what's not. But I'll be honest with you, it's a pain in the butt to get that stuff listed on my influencer page. So it may be a while, maybe a day or two, maybe longer than that. I don't know. But I order from several sources online when I either just don't want to prep the stuff myself, or, like I said, if I need it and I don't have enough, or I need it and it's out of season, so I can't go gather. Like myrrh gum. I ordered this myrrh gum for a prep that I'm thinking about doing, and this is from Nature's Answer. I've ordered stuff from them in the past. It's always been good product, as far as I can tell. You know. This is dried marshmallow root. Marshmallow, not marshmallow. Marshmallow. This is from Atlanta Naturals. I've ordered stuff from them in the past, had good results. Let's see, what else have I got going here? This is licorice root extract, for another prep that I was thinking about doing. But the stuff that I don't want to make extracts. Extracts are a pain in the butt. So I don't want to make extracts, so I buy extracts. I don't have marshmallow, so I order my marshmallow. And it's the same with other things. I've even ordered common stuff like dried plantain and things like that. Dried willow bark, all those kind of things that I don't want to mess with gathering enough. That's a lot. This is a lot. Okay, I'll be perfectly honest with you. So, with all of that being said, please feel free to not be scared to order this stuff online if you want to do something, if you want to experiment with something. And I've never heard of any company selling you crap, I'll be honest with you. So don't worry about it. And that's really about it. Talk to you later. Bye.